Man, September 23rd. That's a day I'll never forget. What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Broadway J, host of this channel, Kicks and Beats. If you're new, hit like and subscribe. This is the channel that gives back to the hood, so you know what's good. Giveaways on the 1st of every month. But anyways, like I said, September 23rd, man. I tried to get this shoe. There was no way. The botters ate that release. It was only on EasySupply.com. You already know what that means. We had no chances at all. It was strictly for the bots. It was up for grabs for the bots. But it's all good. I had to pay via resale on StockX, and here it is, y'all. The Yeezy Knit Runner. This colorway is called Sulfur. From what I've seen online, it looks like some sort of yellow with some sort of cream color on top, or a light khaki of some sort. Let's take a look at this. Like I said earlier, shout out to StockX. Oh man. Now I wonder what made the A come up with this design. Like, did he truly come up with this design in his own head, or did he just straight copy this from Mickey Mouse and the Smurfs? I think I've seen them wearing this before. Either way, this is a great shoe in my opinion, because it's something new once again for the footwear world. Never seen something like this before. Brand new. Oh man, let's take a look at this. I took a size 11. They say go half a size up, you know. My true to size is 10.5 in all brands except for Yeezy brand. I like to go size 11. I didn't go half a size up for my usual Yeezy size, so hopefully that's okay. This is a size 11. Take a look at the tag, yo. All right. Oh. Let me rip the important info out of here. Let's get my name and address out of there. And I guess some of the order number 2. Why not? Why not? All right. It's a tag right there. Yo, this is sick. I don't know, I was laughing about it halfway in the pictures I've seen online, but this actually looks pretty cool in person, honestly. I can't even front. It's new, it's something different. That's what I like. I'm always going for like different looks and whatever's new in the fashion world. Look at this, y'all. Got the rope once again here. Not attached to the shoe. There's kind of nowhere to attach it to. For that reason, the verified authentic sticker from StockX, they just slapped it on the bottom within the sole area. But yeah, what else is in here? Just the regular wraps. All right, my first impression is pretty cool, man. These Mickey Mouse shoes look pretty nice. Yeah, I like how this is. Now this area right here, I'm assuming they needed this, like this was necessary in order to find a good spot to stitch this into. And I don't know what's in between this knit material. Is this prime knit? I'm assuming it is, or just some sort of knitting material. But yeah, this material, there's got to be something in between this and the inner structure. I want to say the inner structure kind of feels foam-like. It feels like there's a piece of foam in here. I don't feel foam here on the side. I think I feel something back here, but I don't know if that's foam. Maybe it is, maybe it isn't. The sides do not contain foam. I know that for a fact. There's something in the back side, something in the front. There could be something in between. Maybe just glue. Perhaps just glue. I don't know. There's a different material located on the inside. Let's see if you guys can take a look. You guys see that? There's a different material on the inside. Is there some nylon in here? Feels like some sort of mesh. Like there's some sort of mesh in here. The cushioning that you usually get in the backside of your shoes when it comes to, like, let's say the Yeezy 380, for example, they apply the same type of cushioning inside. It feels just as good. For some reason, my right pair came with this inside while the left didn't. I don't know if that really matters much. The insole. Let's take out the insole real quick. That's the insole, guys. Take a look at the stitching inside. Pretty interesting. Rubber sole. Adidas logo on the bottom of the sole. All right. Know you guys want to see how this looks on feet, so we're going to do just that. Let's get to it.
Master's back in the dojo. I've been palming the pack for the low. My whole karma's back in the ozone. Got my head in the clouds. I can be dead if I'm proud. I never stepped on a foul. I know no bounds, that's freedom talk. I ain't seen them die, but I seen the chalk. Damaged by the weight of the world, that's atlas. Carrying my burrow like a map did. Panic at manic depression, obsession with checks through struts. Practice, drowning, but I'm blessed like Baptist. I'm just babbling. It's the ADD mixed with the trauma. Telling my.
All right, well that's that. To let you guys know, going half a size up from your true to size, not your Yeezy size, but your true to size is just fine. So, you know, sticking to your regular Yeezy size works just fine, and it feels good to me. I got wide feet, pretty chunky feet, not too chunky, but pretty chunky, and it still feels good. Going half a size up from my true to size, it definitely does. It feels different than any other silhouette, like the shape, how it holds onto your foot. It feels different. It's unlike any other Yeezy silhouette, but it's real comfortable nonetheless. Is it as comfortable as the Yeezy foam runners? No, not really, but it's still a very, very comfortable shoe. Around the collar area, is it as tight as the Yeezy 380? No, it's not. It's a lot easier to slip your foot in compared to that, but it does kind of remind me of the 380 in a way as you're putting your foot into it, but it's not as tight. It's actually pretty easy. I like the silhouette, very interesting model, and I can't wait to see what other colorways Ye and the Yeezy brand is going to come forward with. I would like to see it come out in red. I'm not going to lie. I would like to see a red one. I would like to see burgundy, and I would like to see some sort of like turquoise and some sort of mix of like two-tone going on within the area where he gave us this yellow, like this portion of the shoe. I would like to see some kind of like, maybe like an MX design of some sort, like what they did with the Yeezy 350 V2 MX Oat, something like that. You know, this pair right here hasn't released yet, but it will soon. If they do something like that on this, that'll be pretty dope. Know what I mean? While, you know, keeping this upper portion here a different color. I like this a lot. I really wish I could have had a Mickey Mouse costume to wear this in for you guys today, but fortunately I wasn't able to do that on time. I actually did attempt that too, guys, just letting you guys know. But anyways, stay tuned because we got more looks coming through soon. I think within the next 2 weeks we got something else pulling through. And thank you guys for tuning in, and stay tuned because we got another giveaway coming up soon. Also, follow us on Twitch. We have a giveaway taking place on Twitch as soon as we get 50 subscribers. We're getting close, but we're not there yet. So if you want, another giveaway there as well. And don't forget to follow us on Instagram. We're there every day posting something up, whether it's sneaker related or not, but usually there's something sneaker related posted every day. But anyways, I'm out. Take care, y'all. God bless.